If you have not done a course copy, but rather need to start setting up your course from scratch in MyCC, it's fairly simple. When you open your course under My Courses, you'll find it listed there for courses going on. But if not, you will find the course under your Faculty tab here, and you'll find it listed. And when you click on it, it takes you to this course. The course template that's been put out here has a number of pages. So it has a page for attendance. The classmates is where you can send email. Class information tells you who's teaching it and the time and the schedule. Coursework, if you becomes like part B or part 2 of your syllabus, you can list all your coursework. We'll discuss that in another video. There's a discussion forum. So this is basically a kit or a standard way of looking at your syllabus. Main page is where we put our bookmarks and our links that become available to the students. And when it's all configured, the overview will show the students the entire course. The syllabus page, though, when I click on it, so I have different pages here. There's a student page, and here's a syllabus page. It has two boxes on it. These are called portlets. And if I want to open them in full screen, I click on the blue in the corner. And so the simplest way to do a syllabus is to just add a handout. You can do a syllabus where you take what is in your Microsoft Word document and just paste it in here. So let me give you an idea what this looks like. If I just have a handout, there's just going to be a handout to see. But if I had pasted it in, there I've got a little more dressed up version of the syllabus to look at for the students to see. And yet I can still see a syllabus for downloading over here. Now, I'm not a real fan of the ungrouped words, so I normally change that, and I'll show you in just a second how that's done. And so here's another course that's quite similar. It's got its handouts over here. It's got its syllabus page loaded. And everything on this page is a live link, just about. So when I click on syllabus, it takes me back to this page. And that can be bookmarked, too. So let me talk about how this is done in our test course. So I have a syllabus over here in Microsoft Word, and the first thing we're going to do is take this syllabus and upload the file. That's going back to MyCC. We click on the corner of each of these boxes, opens it into full screen, which gives us some management tools. So if I didn't like the word ungrouped, I would go down and edit the set and change ungrouped to syllabus. Now I like that now that it says syllabus, so I'm going to add a handout. It's going to be in the set called syllabus. I can add more sets of other things, but generally not on the syllabus page. I'm going to choose a file, and in this case it's going to be my syllabus file from my desktop, and it's going to be CCP 540 syllabus spring 2015. And if you need to say some other words about the syllabus, you could there. You have a choice of when it becomes displayed. I normally leave them out all the time because even after a course is ending, a student might want to go back and find the syllabus. So I display it immediately instead of out on date, and I leave it displayed. Now you can actually make this so that it's accessible through a link, so a URL type link. I don't normally do that, but then I save it. And once saved, it's available to the students. So if I want to go back to the beginning of this page, I can click on this bold title at the top, and I can see my syllabus is loaded there. The second approach on this is to go ahead and create content, and that means I'm going to paste this in. So I go to this one, and I end up with a box where I can type in a header if I want. So I can go CCP 540 syllabus. and I have a text box where I can paste things in here. The text box has editors, so this text says clear all the formatting, which I don't probably want to do. I want to get some of the formatting in Microsoft Word. So I go over to my Word document and I select everything. Now the easy way is to know that Control-A selects everything. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to do a copy. And then I'm going to come back directly back over to my course and I'm going to paste that in. So now the syllabus is in my CC. And I want to dress it up perhaps. I don't have to do this, but I happen to like making certain things jump off the page, like the course description and the purpose. You can dress it up any way you want to. There's no requirement there. Course design, course requirements, and so on and so forth. And I go ahead and hit save, and that course template is now out there. A little hard to read in the full page mode. So when I go back to the partial page, I see my handout syllabus is there. Student clicks on that and it opens up and gives them the Word document. And the written syllabus is here, and if they just hit Control P or print, they get a print copy. They can hit the printer and print that out. So that's how the quick and dirty how you set up a syllabus in MyCC.